In this video, you will learn what to do when your YouTube channel receives a copyright strike. Let's get started. Earlier this month, my channel received a copyright strike violation from Shutterstock. The video was taken down and is no longer playable on YouTube. Let's take a look at the summary of the copyright strike. To understand the basis of this summary, let's review the basics of copyright strikes according to Google.
Copyright strike basics. If you get a copyright strike, it means that a copyright owner submitted a complete and valid legal takedown request for using their copyright-protected content. When we get this type of formal notification, we take down your video to comply with copyright law. What happens when you get a copyright strike? We all make mistakes. When you get a copyright strike, it acts as a warning. The first time you get a copyright strike, you'll need to go through copyright school. Copyright school helps creators understand copyright and how it's enforced at YouTube. If you get 3 copyright strikes, your account, along with any associated channels, is subject to termination. All the videos uploaded to your account will be removed. You can't create new channels. Courtesy period. If your channel is part of the YouTube Partner Program, you're eligible for a 7-day courtesy period. After 3 copyright strikes, you'll have 7 additional days to act before your channel is disabled. During this period, your copyright strikes won't expire, and you can't upload new videos. Your channel will remain live, and you can access it to seek a resolution for your strikes. If you submit a counter notification, your channel won't be disabled while the counter notification is unresolved. If the counter notification is resolved in your favor, or the claim is retracted, your channel won't be impacted. There are 3 ways to resolve a copyright strike. 1. Wait for it to expire. Copyright strikes expire after 90 days. If it's your first strike, you'll need to complete copyright school. 2. Get a retraction. You can get in touch with the person who claimed your video and ask them to retract their claim of copyright infringement. 3. Submit a counter notification. If you think your video was removed by mistake or qualifies as fair use, you can submit a counter notification.
That's all about the basics of the copyright strike. Let me now resolve the copyright strike by completing the copyright school. The link to the copyright school is provided in the description of this video. All I have to do is to watch this 4-minute video, answer these 4 questions, and check the answers afterward. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have a question, you can write it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.